We have about 400 odd untrained teachers in primary schools. And MHRD last Friday video conference was there where we have been instructed Goa state that by March 2019 all teachers from the state will have to be trained, that is DED. And they have come out with one portal, Swayam, whereby all teachers who are untrained in aided school, unaided school or any other private school, if they are untrained, they have been asked to get enrolled by 15th of September coming month. If anyone is not getting enrolled, then he won't be able to complete his course. He has to do his course from outside. This facility is available only to those teachers who are in service. Today we have called a meeting of all these heads, also of the management, and we have informed them, please help to this teaching community who is not trained or qualified.